Hello everyone, welcome to Word Glow, the place where simple words can change your life and small ideas create big impact. Today, we are saying goodbye to 2025. Yes, 2025 is ending. A year full of experiences, lessons, challenges, and growth. Some days were easy, some days were hard, some days were full of joy. Some days made us think deeply. If you listen carefully, this video can help you reflect on your year, learn some lessons, and prepare yourself for a strong 2026. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's say goodbye to 2025 together. Let's start with reflection. Think about your 2025. What did you achieve? What challenges did you face? Did you learn something new? Some people only remember the bad moments. But every year has lessons, and every mistake teaches something valuable. Even small achievements matter. Even small steps matter. In 2025, maybe you learned a new word in English. Maybe you spoke English to someone for the first time. Maybe you helped a friend. Maybe you took care of your health. Every small action counts. Every small effort is part of your journey. Reflection is not about guilt. It is about understanding yourself better. It is about preparing for a better future. Now, let's talk about lessons. Life teaches us in many ways, through successes, failures, joy, sadness, and challenges. Here are some important lessons from 2025. 1. Time is precious. Every day matters. Don't waste your time waiting for the perfect moment. 2. Effort beats talent. Hard work always wins over talent if talent doesn't try. 3. Consistency is key. Small daily actions create big results over time. 4. Mistakes are learning steps. Do not fear mistakes. Each mistake teaches you something new. 5. Mindset shapes your life. Positive thinking leads to positive results. Negative thinking blocks growth. Remember, these lessons are not just for English learning. They are for life. Even if 2025 was not perfect, remember this. You survived the year. You faced challenges. You made decisions. You tried. And trying is more important than being perfect. Think about your future self. The version of you in 2026. What do you want to tell yourself next year? I worked hard. I learned something new. I never gave up. These are the words that create motivation. So don't focus on regrets. Focus on what you can do next. Here is a simple method to reflect and learn from your year. 1. Write down achievements. Big and small wins count. 2. Write down mistakes only for learning, not for guilt. 3. Identify patterns. What worked well, what did not. 4. Make a simple plan for 2026. Start small. Build daily habits. This method is very helpful for English learners too. For example, did you learn one new English word daily? Did you speak one sentence daily? Did you practice listening daily? Even small progress adds up over the year. Many learners feel scared. They think, I didn't learn enough in 2025. I will never speak English well. It's too late for me. Let me tell you something important. It is never too late. Your past does not define your future. Even small steps every day create big results. Consistency matters more than speed. Effort matters more than perfection. Think of 2026 as a blank page. You are the author. You can write your story. Here is a simple, easy routine to start 2026. Step 1. 5 minutes reading. Read a simple English sentence every day. Example, I can improve my English every day. Step 2. 5 minutes listening. Listen to short English videos or stories. Step 3. 5 minutes speaking. Repeat sentences aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Step 4. 5 minutes reflection. Write or think about your progress. Note small achievements. 20 minutes every day. Small steps. Big results. Believe in your abilities. Believe in your dreams. Believe in small actions. Even if you failed in 2025, you can start again in 2026. Every day is a new opportunity. Every day is a chance to learn, improve, and grow. Your mistakes do not define you. Your efforts define you. Let's connect motivation with learning English. Did you learn any new words in 2025? Did you speak English to someone? Did you practice listening or reading? Even if the answer is small, celebrate it. Because celebrating small wins keeps you motivated. And small wins in English learning create big confidence. Now, think about 2026. What is your goal for next year? What is one small step you can take every day? Maybe learn one new word every day. Speak one sentence every day. Listen to 5 minutes of English every day. Small steps every day make big changes in a year. Imagine yourself at the end of 2026. Fluent sentences, confident speaking, new opportunities, proud of your effort. Goodbye, 2025. Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for the challenges. Thank you for the growth. Hello, 2026. I am ready to learn. I am ready to grow. I am ready to dream big. I am ready to start small. Remember, your journey is not about perfection. It is about progress, consistency, and belief. Your small steps every day will create a big future. Thank you for watching Word Glow. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, say goodbye to your fears. Say goodbye to doubts. Say goodbye to 2025. Start 2026 with small actions, big dreams, and a positive heart. Keep learning, keep growing, keep glowing.